Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, power steering, backup camera, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.